for brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie.
Wow.
Are you in the mood to make some art?
Ooh.
Something exciting.
Yeah.
Something you saw on the internet recently.
Okay.
You'll love it.
Good day, Artie and friends.
So today we're going to draw a volcano.
Ooh.
I thought you'd be happy about that. Go and get some marker pens.
Okay.
I'm searching high, I'm searching low. Where's my boy Artie? Where'd he go?
Ooh. Oh, yeah.
It's a lovely day to create some art.
It is a lovely day, Betty. Let's start with the bottom of the volcano and draw a wavy line. Now we're going to go up towards the top on the right-hand side, leave a little space, and then up towards the top on the left-hand side, and again, leave a little space. Now for the top of the volcano, we're going to draw all the molten lava. Do you know what that is, Artie? It's where all the liquid fire from inside the volcano has come to the top and overflowed and runs down the side of the volcano. It's very dangerous.
Oh.
Now let's draw an oval-shaped hole right at the top. Because volcanoes are like mountains, but they have a hole at the top. Let's draw an arm where we left that gap, and the hand on the end. Very good. Now an arm on the left side, right where we left that gap when we first started drawing, and a nice hand on the end. Now let's draw the right eye. Let's draw a line and then do half a circle underneath. That's good. And then do another half circle inside and a tiny little circle in the corner. And then we're going to fill in everything black, but we're not going to fill in that little white circle that we left. We're going to leave that as a little tiny white circle. Let's do the same on the left side. A line, half a circle, another half a circle inside, and then a little tiny circle. Fill everything in black apart from that little circle. We're going to keep that white. Looking good.
Oh.
Joke break? Okay, let's have a joke break.
What did one volcano say to the other volcano? I lava you.
I lava you too, Mikey. That was very funny. Okay, back to work. Now we're going to do two eyebrows at very steep angles. That makes our little volcano man look a little bit angry. And for good measure, let's do a big frowny mouth. Oh yes, he's grumpy.
Man, you really are working hard down there, Artie.
He does work hard when it comes to art. Now we're drawing some wavy lines up the side of the volcano just to give it some real shape. We'll show the whole thing sat on a disc as if it's on an island. It looks good already, Artie. Why don't you draw lots of smoke coming out of the top of the volcano? Oh yes, that looks great. Look at all that smoke shooting right up out of the top of the volcano. Shade in the top nice and black so that we can tell there's a hole in the top there. Why don't you do some rocks flying through the air as if they've been shot out of the top of the volcano?
Oh, yeah.
Jaggedy, hot lava rocks flying through the air. And please, this is only a drawing, Artie. It looks very dangerous. You've finished. You've created an angry little volcano.
Do you think he should give it a splash of color, little artist?
You've finished. I love how you use the red and orange colours to show the fire. It came out so good, Artie.
Yay!
See you all very soon.
Yay!
That's right, Betty. We will see you all soon, hopefully. Have an Artie day. But for now, we're going to say bye-bye.
Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.